We service all types of homes, everyone from first home buyers all the way through to retirees. We have a look at their energy bills and see what their requirements are, and then tailor a system to suit. Designing the size of the system is really important. When we take your initial call, we'll ask to look at your energy bill. We're going to look at the profile of your energy, and we're going to design a system that's going to suit your energy bill. There's no use of putting in a system too small if you've got a large bill, or too large if you've got a small bill. You're just going to be wasting your money. So we like to tailor a system to suit your energy profile, considering things like extra energy usage in the future, things like an electric vehicle if you're going to be purchasing one, or if you're about to put a pool in, or air conditioning. We want to take all of those things into consideration when sizing a system that's going to suit your energy needs. Yeah, definitely it's custom. It's not like TV where they advertise grab a 6-7 kilowatt and this is the price, because that's just one size fits all. That's not the way it works. The way it works best is to be able to look at your rooftop, look at your energy bill, see what we can fit, see what's shade free, work out the best benefit that we can offer and how much of the energy bill we're going to reduce.